In today's video, I am going to show you how to add double charts on your MT5 mobile charts. Okay, so if you want to be doing analysis of one pair and compare it with another pair at the same time, this video is for you. And the one that I love doing most is the US dollars, which is the XY, the US dollars index, against any other pair that has a dollar in it, such as US dollars versus Japanese yen or British pound versus US dollars. So for this particular video, I am comparing the dollar index with the British pound. And you can do this clean on your MT5 chart. So this may be how your chart may be looking. So in order to have the double chart for your analysis, tap on your screen and then you are going to select this box icon that you are seeing. Box icon, click on it and you are seeing charts. So now we need to create another new window to our MT5 chart. So I'm going to click the plus sign that is here to add a new window. So you click on it. So once you click on it, it will automatically add another window for you below. And in this window, you can see it is the Euro USD. However, you may not want to compare the XY with the Euro USD because this one is just automatically added to you. So I can go ahead and change the type of asset or the trading pair or Forex pair that I want to trade. So I will go over to where is written Euro USD with blue with a drop down icon by it at the upper left hand side of the lower window. So I will click on that Euro USD. It will bring up options for you and you can see these are all the options that are available for you. If you are not seeing anyone that you want here, it means it has not been added to your quotes. So you can actually click out and go under your quotes here at the lower left hand corner of your MT5, the menu. Click on the quotes and I can add another extra one by going to the upper right hand corner where this plus sign is. I can add something like any crypto or any crypto you want. I will search for it. If it's not available, so like this Ethereum Classic, I can now add it. So you can see when you go back to your chart at the lower side under your quotes, the Ethereum has been added. So when I come to my chart and I want to add the Ethereum Classic, I'll go back to where this Euro USD is, click on it and scroll down to where your Ethereum Classic is and select that one. That will be the chart that will be added to the lower aspect and you can now begin to compare it. So you can see it has been added. However, for the purpose of this video, I love comparing my dollar index with what I trade, which is GBP USD. So I will go back and click on that and select GBP USD. But you will notice that our dollar index is with M30, which is 30 minutes time frame, and then the GBP USD is showing us 5 minutes time frame. So I can tap on that. I will tap the lower window where my GBP USD is and select 30 minutes here, and that will synchronize everything for me. So you can see it here. If I shrink it just like the way that of the dollar index is, you can see it. Now you need this type of analysis very well. Why? Because anytime the dollar index is going down, the GBP USD will be going up. That is how simple it is. So if you are looking at what is happening with the dollar index, you can easily predict what will happen with GBP USD. That is how I do my analysis with this, because they are negatively correlated together. So this type of double windows or double tiles on your Metatrader 5 mobile chart, it will help you to know the correlation of pairs. As far as you've chosen the different pairs you want to check for their correlations, you can check their time frame, ensure it is on the same time frame that you are doing your analysis. So with this particular one, they are negatively correlated, which means they move in opposite directions. But for Euro USD and GBP USD, they move in the same direction. I can come over to the top where the dollar index is, and I'll change to Euro USD, and you will see that they all have similar movement. So when Euro USD is pushing up, GBP USD too will push up. That is the use of these double charts on MT5. You can actually change their orientation to make them to be side by side, vertically side by side with each other for you to compare. Though I love this particular one where they are horizontally tiled, but then you can change it depending on how large your screen is. So this is a mobile device. You can use even a tab, and you will see that you may prefer that one that is vertically inclined. So let me tap on the screen and then go to that same icon here. You are seeing it. Click on it, and then you can now select the tile vertically. When you click on that, you can see now that it has separated them vertically for you. However, if you have a small screen, this may not be suitable for you. You need something like a tab to appreciate this vertical incline. So let me switch to the tab. Let me switch my orientation to that of a tab, and you will see. So you can see that if you have a tab, the vertical orientation will look nice for you the way you are seeing it like this. You can check them side by side. Now when you are done, you may want to remove them. So if you want to remove it, you will just simply tap anywhere on the screen, and it will bring up this for you. Then go to that same part, click on it again, and then you are going to select the type of chart that you want to remove, or the window you want to remove, whether it's that of the GBP USD, such as this. You can click on it, and you click on this remove, and it will remove it for you, leaving only that of the Euro US dollars. Now even if you have them and you want to switch them, you can click on it again, that same part. I can now add any window that I want. Once it is added, I can tap on the screen again, go to that same icon, and I can hold any one that is below and switch it to the top, and that will switch the screens for me. You can see now that as I did that, the GBP USD is up and the Euro USD is down. So this was just simple of how to go about using your double chart on MT5. If you have any question regarding this, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.